Speaking of Liam McNeeley tonight, I got a text from a friend that Brad Stevens was at the game tonight scouting. I can only imagine. I don't think the Celtics are going to have a top 10 pick, but they're going to need it if they want to pick up Liam McNeeley because dude is a dog.
He's a walking bucket.
14 points in 21 minutes.
I know. We're all a bunch of white dudes on this podcast right now, but I saw the
Liam legend.
I know, but listen, the funniest tweet I saw all day, I think it was yesterday or the day before, it was like, Dan Hurley is a cold ass, you know what I mean? Like getting all these badass white dudes on his team. And I all I wrote was exciting whites. And it's true though. Like, and if you think about it, he's got more coming. You got Braylon Mullins, Eric Ryba, Gary Adams.
Interesting that Brad Stevens was at this game, a guy that coached someone that a lot of people right now are comparing to Liam McNeeley to in mock drafts, Gordon Hayward. The guy puts it on the deck, 6'7", shoots the lights out, does a little bit of everything. Liam gets compared a lot to Alex Karaban. He can do more than Alex Karaban can.
Karaban's not as skilled.
It's the truth.
It's 100% true. He's the only person on our offense that can consistently and efficiently create a bucket. I mean, make a play when we need it. And that's the scariest part, too.